So a disclaimer before the battle, right? Like these guys are our guests, right? Be respectful. Whatever the bars is, मतलब छैन. Right? This is not a disrespect. So सबैजना अलिकति be respectful to their bars as well, okay?
Okay.
India versus
Nepal!
I'm the last person you'll ever face. It ain't a phase. I know my place. I just crossed the border and already started punching out the gate. But Govind Ji, you're just too lame. You never had any wins or games. You all know the time difference between India and Nepal, right? Great. Funny, I came here to give him his 15 minutes of fame. But I'm in Nepal right now, so watch me pull up with a kukri.
Start with some reverb. Start with some. I say you can do all the G flips and G flaps, G this and G that. I know you have done all the G practice. But it's crazy, you never went to gym, never wore the jean, and you can never do gymnastics. We got CG versus Coin G. Two G's in the game. So it's Gandhi versus Gorkha. We got G's in our name. Get some positive shit. But one day to fuck you so bad, long distance relationship, bitch. Bitch, fuck is it? It's only 15 minutes time difference, 5 minutes each. Round so big that fit your whole body bag in this bitch. I saw her story, left and right slap in this bitch. But I want to abuse this son, so let me get a tag in this bitch. Bitch, you wanna play alphabet? I'm the alphabet. Last man who tried to play with me still sleeping in his couch and bed. You feel me? I don't give a fuck about the east. I don't give a fuck about your west. No. I don't give a fuck about the east. I don't give a fuck about your west. But let's talk some real issue that's hurting on my chest. Them school girls are only getting raped. Now newborns are also getting raped. I'm tired of hearing rape news, CZ. My ears are fucking raped. I'm even worried for you. Like, are you cool, girl? Are you fine at all? Are you on TV, on fucking Crime Patrol? Nah, see mine at them. 99 episode of Crime Patrol. Dial X Sunne 5 chapters. When a man tried to kill his own daughter. Why? Because a man has to. My friend asked me the other day why I'm pissed to the India. I said, bitch. It's because I watch Hindi media. For real though.
Let's go. Yeah.
Hey, yo! Stop stealing my water, man. I genuinely didn't understand your last round or a word you just said. The only thing me and G have in common is our Hindi accent. I really thought I would rebuttal your last round, but hearing you spit, I was crossed in frustration. Even though we both rapped in English, somehow yours lost in translation. Govind Ji, the flow destruction, motivation. What the hell you been saying, man? What the hell you been saying? You literally don't make any sense. In one of his battles, he said, I'm a mad guy, I love to wave high when he passed by. What does that even mean? Literally, is that what you think battle rap is? He's not able to rap in English, Hindi or even Nepali. I'm getting angry, guys. All these language issues kind of brings my Bangalorean side. But it's okay, G. I'ma take you under. Having those type of eyes, it's easier for you to look the other way. Govind Ji. Look at his eyes, guys. Just look at his eyes with a microscope, but just look at his eyes. I mean, I don't mean to cross lines, but even if we leave the height difference, we won't be eye to eye. Govind Ji wants to be authentic now, so he's tired of chasing chasing old trends. That's why, based on his real life, he named his EP as No Friends. I mean, he has a YouTube channel called Everyday Entertainment, which is just known by a few. He's teaming up just by looking at them views. I only have one piece of advice for you. You won't make a whole lot of money if you quit trap and do more reviews. The real India versus Nepal, I'm a cuisine tester. I'll be writing rage letters. I'm not biased when I say this. Indian momos are way better.
Okay.
Hey, yo! Oh, Sabji! Yo! All of his homies told him to keep watch. What CG is gonna talk about? Don't be so sensitive. Study her moves. Tick tock. But it's so easy to trigger him. Gosh, all I had to do is call him a watchman, and now G is shocked. Go in, G, the dog you 24 rupees behind the shot. Time is running out. Go back to your job. Time it's late evening. I'm getting that vague feeling. Him appreciating me in my DMs. I must be daydreaming. Makes sense why he pretends to sleep on my bars to y'all. He be gatekeeping. Time.
It's on you.
Now let's go, Coinzy.
On top of building from lungs, they're screaming, I love you, India. But all this feeling goes all opposite when a man or woman are Muslim. She be like, that don't even rhyme. What the fuck they gotta deal with me? I say, sis. You from India, so today that's everything you gotta deal with it. I'm talking about drainage man, because he married now. You literally gotta deal this shit. And I will kill you so bad, shit look worse than a deadly sin. Ooh. But this is hair shot, break that, I'm lit with the bindi. And let me know who gonna stop me here for.
Second round भयो.
Finally, it's round 3. It's about to get cold. I did not get a lot of reaction throughout the course. Not because I'm out of my element. That's a periodic source. Only because you're from here, they are told to endorse until they finally, all of them realize all the momentum that G forced. My moves are special.
Elvis भाई के आगे कोई बोल सकते हैं क्या? But nah, enough with the India shit. Let's talk man to man. Oh, I didn't mean that shit. But nah, see, talk about code dead father like that shit is lit. But today we're gonna talk about your father and see how would you feel. Yeah. Okay? I got a fucking picture or something. Got him. Because that's not a main style. That's a bitch shit, bro. That's a bitch shit. That's not a main style. We are the franchise of a real guy. Example of the fair fight. If girls need a date now, we suppose them get in the chair, right? Even with the pain high, we hide pain and fake smile. Do you know why we drink, smoke, do drugs, and get high? Because stupid bitch, we can't cry. But you can do a lot of shit. It's time to fix your politics. You got powder, cream, foundation shit, branded name on. She got powder, cream, foundation shit, branded name under her skin, Gucci, Chanel, she proud of this. She can't even talk about dead people and her fans tripping. But men move in silence. We can talk about another man's business. I mean, men are so stupid, I can't even tell inside I'm really sad and I'm hurt. Because last time when I gave my heart to someone, she broke it. Now I can't even let my brothers play with my heart. But you can cry, lie, and die about it. My mirror match, I say, why? Because we both had gyms. I mean, that's a fact though. I mean, I hate that shit. 2,500 hours just to get that shit. Every day I go and rape that shit. The next girl beside me double weight that shit. I could have faked that shit, man. I hate that shit. I think I love fat girls. They are cute. They got chocolates in their pockets. Fat girls are like bad girls. They can spaz on them cockheads. I love fat girls. They can eat all of my lunchbox. And my ex was so fat, she forgot to return my lunchbox. I love fat girls. They don't have much friends. Yeah, for real. I say, yo, I love fat girls. They don't have much friends. They only have few, so gotta be sustained. I ordered my food like Momo with lassi. She said everything same, but plus 10. I love fat girls. They can give you a big hug. And might get one today. Subscribe to Street Hip Hop. I love fat girls, and that's a fact. I even started my own food vlogging channel, and that's a fact. I want to get some weights and muscle, and that's a fact. But that's not what I'm talking about. That's a fact. I say yo. I mean, okay, let's make some noise. Okay, I'm about to do some shit like that. CZ is a cool girl. CZ is so confident. I'm tired of making diss raps, so today she will get the compliment. Is it cool? Is it cool? I say compliments. CZ is the best. C G's for the greatness. I said CZ is the best. G's for the greatness. She's bad rapper face. She got everybody's respect. She's so friendly, she never get offended. Somebody told the chat we look like Caesar and Kendrick. CZ is the best. She's on my queen's list. CZ. बाहिरबाट आएको मान्छेले हामीले के गर्छ रे हात जोडी
EMF-ले चाहिँ त्यसलाई हेरेरै खाना लागिसक्यो त्यहाँ हेरेको हेरे सकिन हेरेको यस्तो बिदि
नेपालको पढा माल पाए क्या साथीले त
On the day, main event of the day, EMF. What it is that this is going to be a bar fest. Let's get it. It is versus EMF. Introduce yourself, it is. Yes, sir. EMF, introduce yourself.
Hey yo, this is EMF Anmol. Shoutouts to B3 Elsewhere, Tadpatri Talkies. Special shoutouts to Arunachal Pradesh and Barfare Entertainment. Shoutouts to JT and Shikamaru of the East for this dope ass necklace. It's a tribal necklace. I'm supposed to get it right. My ring needs some blood. You know what I'm saying? It's the first sacrifice today. Let's go.
I got my co-host with me. Antare, you want to say something?
So, first of all, we want once again bars, okay? We want bars! We want bars! We want bars! Because it is a bars fest! And this event was the tribute to the legend. Give it silence! So, let's get it.
Pointers? Or EMF is going first?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
No. For the point toss, yeah, of course. Man.
heads or tails?
Yes, heads.
Yes. So,
Get it.
it's okay.
I don't give a fuck if Raja Kumari shared your track. I hope you prepared your rap. We're on different levels. Our approaches show our gaps. You're always in the mind state to overtake. I just take over, man. Itish. How you gonna fight this? This feels like home. I'm about to take a nice shit. Came here to dump it from Bombay duck or turn into fried fish. You should be deserted for not even being a...
Come on, it's on you, let's go.
Yo! Okay, he want to fight me. आजा तुझे हाथ दूं. आजा तुझे हाथ दूं. He said me say totla right. आजा तुझे 50 लाख दूं. See? तैले खोली जुत्ता स्टेज टेक दा. सिन्स यो मन्दिर हो अनि म भगवानलाई आउनु पर्छ खाली खुट्टा भेट्दा I'll fucking show him place today. He talk about strike this and all that, but you're not safe today. Okay, let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. He pronounced my name. He didn't pronounce my name properly. He called me Aitis, thought I wouldn't like it. But मैं नाराज नहीं. The way he say it is in British, I guess India को मिली नहीं आजादी. Let's talk about it, Dave. I'm fucking proud that she acknowledged this. I'm like Muhammad Ali. You did same mistake like Aaron Terrell. कि सारी DHS को मिली exposure. ये अंदर आ जैसे petticoat. You still not ready, bro. Last time someone asked EMF for a feat when he was doing pedicure. Betty Chod, let's talk about some fact. This battle was on 13 days. Irony in that, since we bring you from India, you have to deal with the tax. You have to deal with the tax. Talai marna malai kor लाग्छ. Sima par garis yaar. These guns are like revenue department. I mean, these guns are like Bansar when they charge. It sounds like bat. निशाना निधारमा सुक्दैन हाम्रो मेरो ट्रिगरमा औला एउटा उखान छ राम्रो सिधा औला ल्याउँदैन क्यु त्यसैले गर्दैछु म बाङ्गो आम डोप यो घोडामा छैन लगाम यिनीहरू सोच्छन् हामीलाई कसरी दबाम म्यान द्याट ट्रिगर मी म सोच्छु ट्रिगर कहिले दबाम हम तुम्हें इतने छेद करेंगे तो हेरी रासस दबाम y'all slipping on me on street. Fuck, then I'm driving like Salman. I'm driving. Then I'm driving like Salman. I'ma make sure this wing won't let slip anyone like this shit is alarm. Time.
Hey, I'm sure you say EMF and you can't see it. Well, that's the fucking point, bro. The point is to go feel it. Fuck it. I'm really fucking mad today. This guy is Michael Faraday, but it's so fucking sad he's getting killed on a Saturday. Hey, yo, Aitish, are you stupid?
Okay.
Are you stupid? Because I'm not saying this because I don't think that you're smart. I'm only saying that you're looking really weak. Ego dissolves with acid. In the belly of the beast, you'll see a different hell. In the belly of a beast, you'll see a different hell. If your spirit's not high enough to make your liver swell, he puts his songs on conveyor belts. Now his supply chain is tighter. He thinks that's what makes him a better writer. When projects move through the pipeline at the speed of geofiber. Hey, my lyrics don't spiral. His lyrics don't spiral. They swirl. They smooth and they shine. See, I'm as visual as I could get, but until it drops that album from his...
हाँ तो दिखता हाथी जैसा. But that shit doesn't matter. After losing this battle, you weren't able to chin up. These bars are so far, you can't even handle. You know what EMF stand for? What? Nothing. His knee hurt. He can't even stand up. He's every move flatter. जब राजासँग हात्ती हुन्छ flip. Damn, you'll see the castle. I'm playing this shit like a Magnus, but I'm brutal like Charles Manson. That's how history will repeat. This is not first time Indian getting captured. Fuck your reaction. You think I'm zero? Yeah, with infinite factors. EMF, your songs and your energy are like same. They came from elsewhere. You don't have your own channel. But they think he's a battle god. Nah, you're prey to me. Today I'm about to cross line, you'll get crucified. I'm gonna nail this battle. Whoa. So how you gonna deal with this word? Stand in front of Kiss.
MC Code, पहिला स्टेजमा आएर रेडी छ उ चाहिँ स्टाइल हेर
मलाई चाहिँ हिजोसम्म हैन मैले ब्याटल अफ द नाइट परफर्मेन्स अफ द नाइट रिसर्च लगाइदिएँ
छ त्यो पनि छ
छैन लाइक कम्पिटिसन मैले हिजो नाच्दाको एक दुई राउन्ड सुने
हो कस्तो छ बबाल छ
मलाई
त थाहा छ उसले किल गर्छ भनेर लेट्स सी एमसी कोड पनि कम त छैन हैन है हार्ड हानेछ हो हो
बिना यो पोसिबल हुन्थेन है
Ramble to my right, please introduce yourself.
Yo, my name is MC Bucket. Shout out to Mafia, Street Mafia, shout out to मेरा भाई. Beautiful Carmando, you are beautiful. So I am. Sorry. One warning though. एक warning है भाई. Nobody take this shit to the heart. Nobody get offended.
First round. It's on.
पहला राउंड पहला राउंड तेरे घर के अंदर घुस के खाना खाएगा दूसरा राउंड तेरे किचन पे रखे सारे प्लेट चाट जाएगा तीसरा राउंड तेरे बाथरूम पे हक के बिना फ्लश करे भाग जाएगा अबे झाटा तेरा नेपाल से दूर दूर तक कोई नहीं है नाता तू बस समय का एक मजदूर है जेनजी नहीं तू जेनजी गांडू तू वो जो बोलता बच्चों की भूल है एक बात बता 70 से ज्यादा लोग मरे ताकि तू इंटरनेट पे बोले मुझे छक्का खून निकले टमाटप रेड लाइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट में तू कभी चला कर पिंक तेरे होठों पर इवन द ट्रांसजेंडर्स विल लव यू और मैं तेरा रेगुलर कस्टमर जिन लोगों के बारे में तू बोलता है सोच तू होता हूँ कई जगह पर इसलिए मैं सोचता हूँ क्या ये है रिप्रेजेंटेशन नेपाल की ना 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 क्योंकि पीछे से मुंह चोदी करना इसका पेशा कहानी इसकी बेताल की देखो मैं ऊंचाई से नहीं डरता रखता सबका ख्याल भी इतना कांचा फूकता मेरी आंखें भी नहीं खुलती तो हम सोचते हैं
रिबटलको लागि म गर्दैछु तयारी कोइन टच गर्दा 2 रुपैयाँको सिक्का समाए साला भिखारी God knows this तुरन्त बालिरहेछ cuz he knows I'm going to smoke him मलाई ऱ्याप हान्न आउँदैन मलाई मन नपराउने जतिले देख्छ अब तर त्यो भन्दा अगाडि हाम्रो संस्कार र परम्परा नबिर्सिम त्यसैले अतिथि देव भव यो जाटालाई ल्याइदिएको छु खाता वेलकम टु नेपाल जाटा भने बुझ्छ जस्तो जाटा बुझ्दैन दिल्लीको पाखे भाइ मुँह मीठा करले रंग मुझे खाते कि नहीं खाते Okay, let me compliment you. You must that scheme for you because I take you for an idiot. You better know code, nobody likes you here. You better go home. One wrong word about my country can put you in a chokehold. They'll jump you, take a tron, knock you in a sequence. I hope you get the message, Morse code, get to the source code, we got a language barrier. But see, I can understand the language. For me, it's not troublesome. If it was same for you, it would have been a lot of fun. But I can speak your language too, so it's deep ki tu qadar kar. Vishwas nahi to teri maa ko jaake pooch le, cause I'm good with the mother tongue. Check. Your MC code. Mother chod code. Run from GB Road. उधर 300 का माल चोद के जब reply नहीं करती थी story post करता feeling broke. चुती है Ben चोद पोस्ट नहीं के तेरे भाषा में ही तू गाली खा पर तुझे मदद कर रहा हूँ करियर में एक कदम आगे लेने के लिए चल बेटा तू मेरा हाथी थाम नाम नहीं सेंसा पर आज बेटा हाउस में तू मेरा बेटा तू मुझको माफी मांग देखो तुझे फ्रॉम ए पेरेंट्स POV साले तेरी माँ की आँख टॉकिंग अबाउट फूड, दिल्ली में गवर्नमेंट गली के कुत्ते पकड़ रहे हैं। सुना था समाचार से। तो ये दिल्ली से नेपाल बैटल करने नहीं आया, ये आया क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट इसको पकड़ ना ले। और उस न्यूज के बाद हजारों मोमो स्टॉल्स आउट ऑफ बिजनेस। व्हाट द फक। इधर जाके कहीं भी खा ले। इंडियन कुजीन का हमने कितना इज्जत, कितना संस्कार दिया। मोमो में मेयोनेज़ तक ठीक था, तुम लोगों ने कुत्ते डाल दिया। यो साला कुत्ता, उसके बाद ये भूखा कोट बेचारा, देसे युवा व्हाट यू ईट। अब सब लोग सुनो फिर से ये कैसे भोगता है साला।
MC Code, that's a ganja tester. ये मेरे को बोल रहा था कि मैं पतला हूँ। Meet the Nepali Brock Lesnar. नाज तो एक गैंगस्टर है। मुझे पक्का पता है इसके पास एक माउजर है। It takes balls to do this shit. No racist पर शक्ल से दिखता तू बहादुर है। He's definitely going to leave his mark जैसे Facebook का founder है। Go crazy, berserk and turn this venue into a Nepali palace. See Nasto and Swagsto, both are polar opposites like balls and tits. The birth of a child and what a slaughter is. I'm about to show this motherfucker where the border is while being more stoned than the ancient monolith. जो भी मैंने लिखा है, मैंने ही थूका है। माँ चुदाई नास और M&M बचपन से। जो भी मैंने लिखा है, मैंने ही थूका है। माँ चुदाई नास और M&M बचपन से मेरा मेंटल जामा बुद्धा है। RIP वो हमें ऊपर से एंजल्स के साथ देख रहा है ना। और सोच तू बाथरूम में कह रहा हो मैं रैपर है ना। Fucking disappointment, surface level, to anointment. उनके लेगेसी पे बस भाग रहा है। और of course तू रैपर नहीं, अगर तू अपने आप से ही पूछ रहा है। नेपाली
था तो कोड नहीं कर पाता था होम पेज। कोडिंग कर लिया तो नाम रख लिया MC कोड। अगर ये स्टॉक ब्रोकर होता तो इसका नाम होता था MC ब्रोक। अगर ये स्टॉक ब्रोकर होता तो इसका नाम होता था MC ब्रोक। जब ये 1 साल का था इसका बाप ऊपर लड़का हुआ। दिक्कत है तुझ जैसा लड़का हुआ, तू मादर वाला MC चोद भाई तू MC कौन। कितनी बार परिवार का नाक कटेंगे, बेटा हमेशा रहता है नशे में, खुद को सोचता है MC डोप। इसलिए अगर इसका बाप जिंदा होता तो सुसाइड का कारण भी यही होता। उसके बाद इसका नाम होता था MC रोक। Like your father, you need a hand out to reach. जब इसका बाप लड़क के सुसाइड किया, that's the only time we hang out with him. So तेरी बकचोदी बस कोडी। कभी सोचा है कितना लगता है माँ को बुरा। सीजी से कहा तूने वो बैटल कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उसका बाप करने दे रहा है। तूने कभी तेरी माँ से पूछा? साला नालायक, react stuff like you don't give a fuck। बेटा का साथ कभी वो पाई ना। जब पैंतर आया था तेरे दरवाजे के बाहर उस वक्त मम्मी ही याद आई ना। यो ये दिल्ली को बीजे से आए होने गया था तू जमुना ब्रिज मरने के लिए। कितनी शिद्दत से हुआ, तू तो मर के भी जिंदा हो गया भाई तू जीसस है क्या? उसके बाद इसका माँ और दोस्त सब परेशान, ढूंढता रहा इसको शाम और रात भर, पर ये जमुना रिवर डूबने नहीं गया। He thought he could walk on water. इसके डिसाइपल परसब जूरस बाजू में। When he finds a drinking partner, he's like कोई मिल गया। अब इस फेक जीसस का जादू देख। When Jesus turned water into wine, तूने टर्न किया माँ के आंसू दारू में। अनुष्का ने रिटायर किया कोहली को। Alcohol.
They can't circumcise. I mean, अपना लंच छोड़ा काट. तू मर्द नहीं है. तू इतना बात करता औरतों के बारे में. तू सही नहीं है. और तुझको चाहिए काला पानी. मैं तो कहता हूँ दे दो इनको काला पानी. मैं जगह की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं सजा की बात कर रहा हूँ. काला पानी, आजादी और उसकी तरस की बात कर रहा हूँ. पर ये जब जाएगा, ये सब जाएगा तेरे सर के ऊपर से. जब तू चूज करता है करप्शन मिटाना अपने कंप्यूटर से.
And yo. बहन के लौड़े. इसका लन लेके इसका बहन का सेक्स चेंज ऑपरेशन. बहन के लौड़े. तेरा बहन भी है सुना था पर तू कभी नहीं मिला. डोंट वरी कोडी, मैं ढूंढ लूंगा. देख उसके बाद होगा फैमिली रियूनियन. कर दूंगा तेरा माँ बहन एक. His MC code he replaced with a K. He replaced C with K to make it cool. Okay, let's see. Chutiye. If you replace C with K, you are still kutiye. ये हाथ मोजोसी को दे दे कोडी. ये हाथ तेरा नहीं, उसका नाम है. So man, stop. So if he masturbate with this hand, technically Mojosi is giving him a hand job. समझ रहे बबुआ? बात थोड़ा. वन तुम्हारा मोजोसी का हाथ होगा. ओके, मोमो. ओके, ये मोमोज क्या होता है? चैट में मुझे बोल रहा था गांडू. मोमोज एस डालने की आदत. व्हाट ही रियली मीन वाज गांडू. और मोमो में मेयोनेज. लेट्स टेक योर फूड. छोला भटूरा. भाई किसने छोला? भाई किसने छोला? और ये भटोरा कौन है? देख ले. छोला भटोरा ने छोला. सो मोमो में मेयोनेज. नाउ
Thank you all for being here and listening to this crazy.